Hi, I'm Jasmine, also known as VR with Jasmine. Now, in a recent video, I did an interview with Peter Sassman, who is the president and co-founder of Haptic Solutions, shown here. Now, that company makes a product that allows you to smell virtual reality. I'm going to link that interview up here. We basically talked about the history of the company and all the cool things that are coming up. Now, in this video, I want to talk specifically about the product itself and the experience that I got when I played it. I know that's what all of you were looking for in that last video. So I want to make this video, so make sure that you guys know exactly what it was like. As I know it currently, I believe that Microcilia, which is their newest product that's going to be shown and demonstrated at CES for the very first time, now that product is actually the very first product ever designed in virtual reality for virtual reality. I know, like wild. Basically, they used Neos VR to design the technology. So I got to interview the team all about that. And if you're new to the channel and don't know what the heck Neos VR is, I actually did an interview, which I'm going to link right here, all about what Neos VR is. Basically an amazing open world social VR game. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Microcilia. So Microcilia is the smaller wearable version of their bigger product, which is Cilia. Cilia was a desktop product that allowed you to smell virtual reality. I go into it in some detail in the video in my interview with Peter Sassman, and also Linus Tech Tips covered it in one of his videos about a year ago. Now, the newest product, the Microcilia, which I got to try. So the way that works is you actually put it around your neck and you wear it on your chest. So this one's very portable. You also don't actually need to be plugged into anything. This all works over Wi-Fi, and you can connect it to a battery pack. So you're like essentially completely wire free. And if you've seen my other videos, you know that I hate wires. I really just want to play without any wires. So huge deal. Now, the Microcilia works in a similar way. It also has little fans that get triggered depending on which scent it needs to blow up towards you. Picture this. Okay, one of the things I got to do in that experience was actually go on this boardwalk where I could smell like cotton candy and popcorn and all these like amazing scents on a boardwalk. It just made the whole thing feel so great. I love virtual reality so much because it's so freaking immersive, and it's bringing all these childhood things that I've always wanted into my life. When I was younger and I used to play MapleStory for hours and hours on end, I just remember thinking how amazing it would be to actually be able to enter into these game worlds that, you know, that I used to play and enjoy throughout my childhood. And one of the cool things I think about virtual reality is the community. The community is so focused on seeing this whole thing grow. Today, I'm doing something a little bit different. So fellow Cello got to try the Microcilia with me. So we're going to talk about our experience, just so you guys get an understanding of what it's like to actually use it. So fellow Cello, with your crazy reactions, how was it for you when you tried Microcilia for the first time?
So my first impression was when we hit the first area of the map, when Rubik was showing me around, he showed me a bottle of root.
You got the bottle of root beer?
Yeah. So I picked up a bottle and I smelled it. I was like, I don't know, you know, it didn't hit the home run for me right then and there. But then when we moved farther on, I finally got to the go-kart race. So we drove go-karts around, and Rubik was playing around with it, trying to place it back on the track. And I passed the tire. And at that moment, the ban on the rubber scent kicked in full speed. In that moment right there, I was mind blown. That was the home run right there. I felt the familiar smell of like a neoprene. And that's it. I lost my mind right then and there. In the video, you could have seen that I'm literally smelling a tire, trying to shove my face in a tire and being like, whoa, this is great. So that right there for me was the home run. And I was really surprised by how effective the smell-o-vision is. And for me, that just means I'll be able to, let's say, one up my experiences. If I want to show something to my friends, I'll be able to show them with like the full immersion, how VR should be. I feel like once I'm able to add that next level of immersion that will get a lot of people that I know personally, if they can try it with those scents and with that experience as a whole, totally blow their mind, and that will show them what VR can be, you know?
Now, I know what you're thinking. After seeing this amazing gameplay and how fun it is, you're probably wondering, where can I get the microcilia and when? Unfortunately, it's not yet available in the stores, but it will be on pre-sale very, very soon. Now, if you wanted the desktop cilia, that is available on their website for, I believe, $400. I'm going to be posting another video where I got to interview the entire Haptic Solutions team in Neos VR. At the end of that video, I will let you know when the pre-sale orders are available. The team is targeting a ship date of February 2022, so it's not that far from now. Like, very, very soon, a lot of people can be able to smell virtual reality. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like, that helps me out a lot. And also, if you're not already subscribed, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers on this channel. And once I hit 1,000 subscribers, we are going to start live streaming just like I used to do on Twitch. So please subscribe if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!